Hey, what's up everybody? This is the first video coming to you from our new home here. I know that I haven't posted a lot in a while. We've been crazy busy with moving and work and all that stuff, so I had a chance now just to do a quick recording and show you guys a little bit of the new garage that the FJ Cruiser will be staying in now. I'm hoping to see if we can squeeze in both cars, but I don't know if that's very likely since we have a washer and dryer and some other things in the garage. But anyway, take a look at the FJ Cruiser's first day in the new garage. All right, it's day one in the new house, and I just wanted to show everybody. This is our garage, and it just barely makes it. It's barely enough space here at the top here. Good to know that the FJ fits in here. All right, you guys, I just backed the FJ into the new garage and show you what kind of room I have here. All right. Here comes the garage door. All right, barely. We just have enough room to fit the FJ. You know, there's these cool shelves here that the previous owner left behind. I really like these, so I'm gonna keep them, but look at that. Perfect fit. But take a look at this, you guys. We got a front porch here, right? And my wife backed in today after coming home and kept going and going and didn't realize how close she was. But take a look at this. That tailpipe just barely clears that first step of the deck there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open up the trunk. Check this out. As I open up this hatch, just enough to clear that second step. So perfect spot to you know, load the kids when they come out of the house, but everything is just the right size. All right, so that's a very quick look at our vehicle situation now. I know that a lot of you guys who follow the channel have FJ Cruisers that are lifted. If you do have a garage, let me know if you park your FJ Cruiser in your garage or outside, and if so, how tall is your FJ Cruiser? Because I've determined that 6'6" is about the highest height that my FJ Cruiser can clear. It's just about as stock as you can get in terms of suspension and tires. That's my baseline. Whenever I enter a parking structure, I know that if I see a sign that says 6'5" or below, then I'm not going to enter that parking structure. If you don't already know, the FJ Cruiser's antenna is a great indicator of whether or not your FJ's roof rack will scrape as you enter a parking structure. The stock antenna is just a tad bit higher than the FJ Cruiser's roof rack. So as you enter and the antenna scrapes the ceiling of the parking structure, then you know that you're going to have some issues entering that structure. So let me know in the comments down below, do you guys park your FJ outside or indoors? If so, do you have any clearance issues? I'd like to know about your experiences as well. So anyway, you'll notice that I have this little t-shirt here. This t-shirt came from a company called Cutie's Corner. If anyone's interested in purchasing a shirt like this, then I will leave a link in the description down below. So Cutie's Corner, go ahead and check them out. So that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.